Infrastructure owner-operators in the oil and gas industry are consistently challenged to manage safe, reliable, and profitable operations. With more information available now than ever before, the alignment between people, process, and technology is critical to obtain and leverage the data from your maintenance programs, using it to make better business decisions. Cohesive Solutions provides a unique approach to delivering reliability solutions for the oil and gas industry. We combine industry-leading best practices and world-class technology solutions with methods for organizational change that enable organizations to shift into a culture of continuous improvement. This enables organizations to extend their returns on capital investments. Cohesive Solutions delivers on our promise to enable asset-intensive organizations to optimize reliability and drive continuous improvement to achieve operational excellence. Learn more at www.cohesivesolutions.com.